Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I decided to sit down and chit chat with you guys on some things that have been going through my mind. Some new things that I'm trying to do, still haven't decided yet. I'm also going to be showing you my room and how it looks. Oh my God. Let me show you what just happened. That just happened. And he's going to sit on it because cats like boxes. Oh my God. He's crazy. I just posted a Target haul and I wanted to use those items that I just bought and some other ones. So while I do this chit chat, get ready with me. If you like these kind of videos, then continue watching and let's just get started. Alright, so I still have some like eyeliner underneath my eyes. I wanted to try this to see how well it takes that off. So I'm just going to do a little bit of this on a cotton ball. This is Biore micellar water with charcoal, so that's kind of amazing. It smells really good. I'm kind of see if it takes off all that residue. And it does. The scent is very nice. So that seemed like it took off everything around my eye really nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Pineapple Flower Matte Mist by, this is by Pacifica. For my eyes, I'm going to use the oldie but a goodie. This is the Morphe T35 and it's one of their older palettes. I don't even know if they've upgraded the packaging on this one, but the colors are so nice. They're more on the cooler side, which is something that I don't gravitate towards most of the time, but these cool colors seem to be very complementing to my skin tone and I really love them. So we're gonna see what we can do with this palette today. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with this. This is meant to prime the eyes and extend the eyeshadow wear, so we'll see how this works. And I'll let you guys know if I end up liking this better than the concealer, because like I said, the concealer does crease with the eyeshadow towards the end of the day, and this is cheaper than a concealer. To set that, I'm gonna just take this. This is the Wet n Wild contouring palette. Take the yellow shade in here and just set my eyes with that. Take this color right here. This is gonna go all over the crease. All right, so I've been going back and forth with wanting to do a second channel. I'm torn between wanting to do the second channel or just integrating those videos into my into my current channel. Because I feel like it kind of could work, or I can kind of make it work, but I'm not completely sure. I love thrifting. I love going to secondhand stores. Me and my mom used to always go to the thrift store. We had one about 2-3 blocks away when I was younger, and we would always go to that one. And I feel like when I'm thrifting, I'm like in my element. So I've been wanting to do those videos. I used to do 3 videos of makeup here on my channel, and now I just do 2. So I thought that the 3rd video could be either working on my new channel with thrifting videos, and that would be once a week. But I don't know if I want to make a whole new channel or if I want to incorporate it. I do have fun putting makeup on, but I feel like the makeup community is so saturated. And I feel like the consumerism with makeup is kind of crazy, and I don't want to get to that point where I'm constantly looking to buy new products just because I have to make a video out of it, and it really does take the fun out of makeup. I don't know. I'm just confused. What do you guys think? At times I've even thought not do makeup anymore on this channel because of that whole like beauty community stress, and like, do I really want to become a member of that community where everything is just so nasty? There are some really good people out there, but I feel like when somebody gets really popular, they just, I don't know. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm stuck within that because I do love makeup and I do love teaching people about makeup. But then again, I feel like this makeup community or the beauty community is so heavily saturated, and sometimes in a good way and sometimes in a bad way. So I don't know. Tell me guys what you think. What are your thoughts? Would you guys be okay with either me completely not doing makeup and mainly doing this thrifting channel, or doing thrifting videos and then some makeup videos so that I don't feel that pressure that I'm feeling right about now. I was looking at this video by Sam, I forgot her last name. She's a pretty popular YouTuber. And there's a point in the video where she said that videos that she films, she doesn't enjoy doing at all. And I thought, then why are you doing them? Like, if you still want to use social media, then do something that you like. I don't know, I just don't want to get to that point with makeup where it's just like, ugh, I have to do another video. So I thought maybe throwing in those like come shopping with me at the thrift store, thrift hauls, like I really like that and it just makes me really happy. So I think that's where I'm at, and I would like your guys' opinion on that. You guys are the reason why I make the videos in the first place, and I know if I choose to completely change the gears on my channel that maybe I will lose all, if not some, of my subscribers, because you guys are subscribed here for a reason, and that is makeup. But the older I get, the more I realize that I have to do what's right for me, what makes me happy. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. Am I crazy? Should I just do whatever I think is right? I know some of you guys just like my personality. I'm more calm, I'm more chill, and sometimes I get crazy. I would hope that if I do change my channel this way, that maybe you guys will stay for the personality, even though you don't like thrifting, or maybe I will get you guys to like thrifting or something like that. So I don't know. I follow this one girl on YouTube, and she does some thrifting videos, and she throws in every so often a makeup video, which I think is kind of cool. And that's what I think I almost want to do, because like I said, I do love makeup, but I don't want to overdo it to the point where I just hate doing it, like that Sam girl. That's what I think I'm gonna start doing. And then I just would hope that most of you guys would kind of just get on board. If not, then would totally understand. And if I do, I will make an announcement or some sort. But right now I'm just kind of like plotting. I'm just kind of thinking of what I want to do. All right, so my camera is about to overheat, and that is why I hate this camera. I'm gonna cool it down. I'm gonna finish the eye look, and then I'll come back and do the rest of the face. All right, so eyes are on. Then I used the eyeliner that I bought at Target, and this is the Maybelline Eye Studio. I remember having it before and liking it, but L'Oreal lacquer liner, I feel like I like that one better after using that one, and then I'm back to this one. This one I feel is not as black as the L'Oreal lacquer liner. I feel like it's not as easy to work with. Like you have to like build it because it's not as black. So I'm gonna keep testing this one out, but for now I wasn't really impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with this. This is also something else that I bought at the Target. This is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher. This is water resistant. It's a rubber wand, which I'm not a fan of, but I usually like mascaras that set in place right away, and even after they dry, my lashes don't go down. If my lashes start going down after I curl them with an eyelash curler, then I most likely won't like that mascara, because that means that I have to work more to get my lashes to look a little decent. See, this one's already going down. We'll let it dry. We'll do the rest of my face, and then we'll see how they look. See if they still look curled after everything's said and done. I'm gonna prime with this. This is the L'Oreal Matte Lock Infallible Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Super in the shade Natural Beige. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with this brush. See how light it looks? You guys will see how it oxidizes. All right, this is just a L'Oreal Beauty Sponge, just to blend that out. So what I'm trying to say, so to recap, the more I think about it, the more I'm gonna gear towards maybe incorporating the thrifting videos into my main channel. It'll evolve into mainly just thrifting and that kind of lifestyle. I know this might break some of your heart. I just don't wanna come to the point where I'm annoyed by doing makeup. Honestly, in makeup, like a lot of people at this point can find what they're looking for within makeup. Like how to do your brows, or how to do a wing liner, or how to do this, how to do that. And then after you know how to do makeup and after you learn all those things, or after I teach you all those things, then I'm left with pretty much buying the next new thing and then just accumulating all this makeup that, I don't know, it's just not the lifestyle that I want to do. And I know a lot of people here on YouTube that I follow that started doing makeup because it's what we know, it's what we almost see every day, but then eventually they find something else that they love, maybe even more, and their channel evolves into that and they do just as well. To those of you guys that watch my videos from start to end, thank you. You guys will probably be the ones that actually know, because I feel like some people that follow me on here are just kind of following me because they just want like a sub to sub, and that's kind of crazy and stupid, but whatever. So they'll probably be not surprised or surprised, I don't know. But this video is for you guys that actually watch my videos, appreciate the content, comment all the time. I hope you guys understand. And if you guys don't understand or don't like the content that I'll be putting as far as like thrifting and shopping like that, I understand. You're the owner of your choices and you can choose whether you want to do something or not. So if you guys decide that that's something that you're not interested and unsubscribe, I will totally understand. I want to do what makes me happy. I feel like the older I get, the more of a mindset I have with that. So I don't know, I hope I'm making sense. Every time I do these chit chats, I feel like I'm not making sense. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Bought the color Sand and I'm thinking that it was a little too light. I wanted something darker. So I went back to the store and I got the shade Golden, which I think is the perfect color for me. So this is Golden. See, so it's a little bit lighter, but it's not crazy. Thumbs up this video if you think I'm making sense, because half the time I feel like I'm not making sense ever in my life. Ever. Lightly tap it in. I'm going to use this. This is the number 7 translucent powder. And then just set my nose with it. Oh, the blush is this one. Butter bronzer blush. For brows, I'm going to go ahead and do this thing that I bought. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in the shade Black, I think. If I would have gotten the brown, I think it would have been too warm or too light. It's like the perfect tinted mascara to make your brows look a little more put together when you're lazy and don't want to do anything to them. I don't think I'm in love with this mascara. My lashes went down. That is it. I didn't really get anything for lips, so I'm not going to put anything on my lips. I am going to spray my face with the Pacifica Mist to set everything and make the powder look less powdery. That is it. This is the room that I've been filming in. So I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like right now. So you go in and you have some nice hardwood floors. And this is like, it used to be a closet. Let me zoom out. It used to be a closet. But what he did is he took the doors off and he's going to redo this little section here. And inside the closet was like, you know, the bar to hang your clothes. There were some shelves up there. But I got this thing and we painted it. It used to be black. We painted it to this really nice like rose gold color. Turn the light on. Added the shelves there. It used to be just like an empty little nook there. There's my kitty cat, Tito. Hey, Papa. Still don't know what I'm going to do with this room. I love the lighting that I have when I'm filming. That's my little filming setup. I have all these lights and I haven't been using them in my past videos because the light that comes into this room is just really good. And when I'm filming, I don't let him come in because he ruins everything. You want to say hi? That's Tito. And then what's behind me is just this shelf. I have these 2 baskets that I got from Marshall's. And then this actually I got it from the dollar store. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I hope that most of you guys understand what I'm going through and that transition that I want to do eventually. So leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.